107 point, Thug Line Radio. Calling you on the air. What you want to hear, baby?
Hi, I want to hear that new Thug Line Crazy Boy joint. You know?
Oh, yeah. That's tight. That's tight. Crazy Bone. 107 point, all day in your keyhole, baby.
Can I get some tickets?
They come into my world, we just do like usual. Think we just hang in the sky. Have a hell of a time on the line, the line. If y'all niggas think y'all can keep up. They come into my world, we just do like usual. Think we just hang in the sky. Have a hell of a time on the line, the line. Get up out of my car, I'm feeling sick of this. Can I get a little bit of Hennessy and a little bit of gin and we get this in? Let the party begin. I'm with my friends and we rollin', smoking, blowing, choking, rolling up some more and more and more. We P.O.D. there. That's cause we're all stuck up and weeded. Ain't no reason for tripping. We having a good time and plus the hood's tight, so shit.
I shouldn't hear your mouth time I get here. Let go.
Not it, man.
Let go.
Not it. Hold on, man. Look, we gotta get through race, man. Hey, my gyro off my car. I don't know how to put it back on. My gyro ain't working.
Is it Spectrum or Spectrum?
Oh, you know he's Spectrum, man. The DF5.
DF5? But it's backwards or just off?
Ain't nothing gonna stop me from saying at him right now. I shouldn't hear his mouth time I get out here. Why am I leaning down?
I'm gonna run dry tie.
You a lie.
I swear to God, I just went down there dry tie. I just went down there dry tie.
Everybody out here complaining about going dry tie. You gonna try?
Nigga, I'm gonna go dry tie.
Man, give yourself
Let's
an
go.
advantage,
Man, I'm going dry tie, man. Well, tell me up, motherfucker. Dial in and bring your ass.
I ain't got dial in. I have never brought this car out here before.
I don't give a fuck.
This is gonna be the first.
And this the first time mine's running.
Damn like
I didn't run it last week.
You just said it ran no today. So
yeah,
you got
today.
So you got some tests. I ain't got no tests.
Well, I want you to get one.
No, I don't want nothing. All right.
When I spank your ass.
I ain't finished. I got find another. That's the only thing that'll go in there past that hump. If I don't find one that's shaped like that, I ain't getting nothing in them. I don't put nothing in. I can't rip out fast if it's on fire.
Let me find one.
No. Yeah, find one of these square ones. Because I can rip these square ones out fast if it's on fire. Put a long one in there to be fumbling with. I ain't got time for fumbling if it's on fire.
There you go.
Found one? I know they in there.
Mm-hmm. Make sure I find you one. I want them to be in there.
You gotta look that hard to surprise.
Nigga, I want them to be in there. Rob car did pretty good.
Rob said he couldn't get down there.
Shit, Rob went down through there.
That was the pass I did make when I got sideways and the damn wheelie bar hit the cone.
Nigga,
the car
Rob went.
go up,
He
airborne.
He got sideways. You can sit against sideways.
No, he came back and he fixed that and it went slapped straight down through the goddamn thing. But it caught out and flipped over.
Now, when I brought it out in the center of the field, I wasn't in no lane. I mean, but this bitch was still all over the place.
You're gonna have to get some push brooms and knock it over.
Call the race.
Gotcha. Well, I can tell you, I can tell you now, you don't want to start behind this shit because you're going to hump right there. Because it got to be right here and forward.
Wheel on the line. If somebody got a short wheel about their ass.
All right.
Bryan, run tours. All right. Leroy at the finish line. All right. Come on, run tours. Ready? Bryan, ready? Drivers ready? Go! Bryan, I told you my look, my limbs kept going down there and then off to the right.
I don't even want to turn it down no more.
All right. Drivers ready? Go!
Let's go! Nigga! Let's go!
Run it back. Go. Nigga, we 1-1. Run it back. Hey, you idiot, man. It's 1-1. Run it back. Hey, boy. It's 1-1. Run it back. Walk your dumb ass back over here. Boy, we 1-1. Run your dumb ass back over here. Hey, we 1-1. Run your ass back.
Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Let's go!
Nigga, we 1-1. You forfeit.
Moving, he got one
Hey,
more.
boy, we 1-1 and you forfeit. Hey, boy, we 1-1. You through? You forfeit. You forfeit. We 1-1. You forfeit.
Come on, baseball!
Yo, you 1-1. Are you forfeit?
Hey, that was good right there.
Well, let's go fucking go.
Here we go. Mo ready. Gonna get him with a four. Alright. Drivers ready? Go!
I was in front of your ass with my pinky blowed on.
That pin, damn, that gear came off that motherfucker.
Nigga, you know you had lost.
Everybody see the race. I was in front of you the whole time.
That go the goddamn. Nigga, you know you gonna be in front of me the whole time. Well, my car, second half car. You wasn't going enough for my car. Now
I run a 1-1.
I run a 0-1.
Through the death trap and all. Yes, sir.
Forward. Nigga. Yeah.
Oh. Land right back up. Nope. Damn it. Gotta go get it. Red, I can tell you right now that body's sitting too low on the front. It's it. Oh, okay. I got you.
Yeah, man, I'll be back out soon, man.
Yes, sir. What's going on, man?
I see I'm still back out soon.
What you need?
That damn top like this on that motherfucker.
Oh, yeah, I was going to say it's sitting low on the passenger side in the front.
Only 2 4.
What the?
It's too many rocks out here.
That shit just ate all the teeth off that motherfucker. Ate all the teeth off that motherfucker, didn't it? Dun 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 dun.
Side ain't dusty. That side ready. Damn, you got a knife or something?
A knife?
Yeah.
I damn so don't. I got some seals.
I'm gonna dry tie his ass. Man, this fool come for the round your lunch. God damn, that motherfucker hard.
Yes, sir. Looking kind of good, Mo. Looking kind of good. I kind of like that. Like a good old mustard bottle right there. I kind of like that. That look good. Yes, sir.
How you gonna say it, right?
I'm gonna do drivers ready and then go.
Now you trying to bring me down your car, man. What all you gotta do? I'm just trying to get my car straight, man. All right.
Drivers ready, go.
Bye-bye.
Left
Forward.
lane.
His ass had to prep. Forward. You gonna prep the prep over the other car? You had to prep, motherfucker. You prep then. Come on. Let me charge the better. If we do the same rate. Want me to prep? Yeah, I'm charging the better. Just hands on what I'm ready to do. I'm close down what I'm doing. My prep. Hey, you just seen the race. Hey, I'm gonna get you.
Hey, we can bind your other car to a radio so you can have 2 radios. I was just want to run both cars.
Hey,